Hello?
That's good.
You don't mind if I show your face, do you? So my Mimi's eating ribs right now, barbecue ribs, and that's her cat Layla. And she reaches out for it every time. She has her claws out too.
There's plenty.
Someone put this into one of those try not to laugh videos. Someone has to. I'm giving people permission to do this. Oh my gosh. My Mimi just came home. I'm pretty full. She full sent it that time. Guys, don't feed your cats when you're eating. Just don't feed your cats your food when you're eating, okay? Because they end up doing this. Oh, by the way, guys, this is Gatorade. Gatorade, please, Riptide Rush is my favorite.
Yeah, they're good.
I don't think so. They're pork chop bones. You know that. Right off pork chop.
So guys, once we before probably like a year before my Mimi was working at home, I was at school and she was at work, and we had a chicken the previous night, and Layla jumped in a trash can and pulled out the whole entire chicken carcass. It was all over the floor. That's why you never feed your cats. Is that the fat? Oh, Mimi, there's chicken from a bit of my leftover chicken sandwich in there. That's for cats. We're going to cut it up and feed it to them.
Yeah, to save the piece of it. I remember you said that.
I was full and I knew I wasn't going to eat chicken. She actually put her mouth around it. Is that your last one, Mimi? Does it still have a ton of meat on it?
No.
Okay, good.
Mommy, I missed you. I missed your food.
I used to a baby in there.
This is too good. This is too good to leave out of a YouTube video. This is just too good. She's licking her chops again.
Well, John has to feel to sit down and eat.
You know what, Mimi? We should actually have like a one-way mirror. Well, no, not a one-way mirror. But we should have a camera and then put some of these barbecue ribs on a plate and leave it there. And see if any cats try and eat it. Catch it.
Take the time to eat.
Catch them on camera.
He's not running problems this year. It's everywhere. The stuff's not coming in right. It's coming in busted. Nick,
Oh my God.
they went to Lowe's and bought a toilet and took it to a site to put it in. Took it out. The damn bowl was cracked. And so now they had to take it back, you know, all that time they lost. But, you know, okay.
Can't help it, you know.
I'm just saying, please don't say bad words. Bad words, like, but
I didn't say any bad words.
sort of bad, but
Okay.
D-A-M-E. Oh my gosh.
But what that's costing people in time and gas, you know, they picked it up and they,
D-A-M-E.
Oh my goodness.
yeah, I wonder the stuff I got out there, the stuff I'm getting delivered, and you just don't know. You just don't
You know, Layla's going to be the next Garfield.
Want some more buddy, girl? Yeah, buddy. I'll call her buddy. Want some
No,
more?
no, Lucy's going to win. She weighs more, and she's one of the youngest.
Just, I like
But
the
how
ones-
come he doesn't weigh as much as Lucy?
Want potatoes or anything? No?
Poppy, you absolutely clean those.
Well, that's what you're supposed to do with ribs.
Mimi doesn't really clean them completely. But it's because there's a ton of fat on it.
Grandma's doing a pretty good job on them.
Whoops. Yeah. Cleaned him up.
That's right.
Cleaned him up.
You know,
Cleaning them up.
Poppy, when we do barbecue chicken, we should get a chicken leg, clean some meat off of it, and then coat it in barbecue. And then we can have it just to mess around with the cats. Just to see how long they will do it for.
Oh yeah, but the sauce would be get all over it.
Mess.
Mm-hmm.
Layla was eating the sauce.
Didn't let her drag it around.
Huh?
I didn't let her drag it around.
No, we would hold it for him. We would hold it for him. We wouldn't let them take it. Oh, she just wanted you for the food.
Mm-hmm.
No, she just wanted you for food. Okay, guys, bye.